To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 3 fasteners securing the housing. Disengage the fasteners. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF5196 filter into the housing. Reinstall the cover by aligning the tabs and slide to lock it into place. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the sensor. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.